YouTube denizens, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and today we have a Series A527 and is considered a blue belt level on Reddit Lockpicking, and we're going to be picking it with SWICK.
That's some clicks off 1 and 2. There's a click off 4. I'll click off 5. Click on 1. Click on 4, click on 5, now we got a full set. That's on 2, I believe. And there we are. Have it open. And that is the A527. Let's go ahead and gut this. Whoops. One moment. There we are. All right. Get this clip off here. Alright, so you see I've got it picked there. I'm going to go ahead and lock that so I can get it on the other side because I don't have the proper plug follower for this. So we're going to have to use this here. Alright, perfect. Set that aside. And here are the pins. Let's take a look at these pins as we go here. Looks like possibly one of the pins came out with it. We'll find out here. Or top pins, I should say. Okay, there's one of the top pins. Another serrated. Yeah, it looks like the third pin somehow came out. Maybe it fell through here or something. I'm not sure how that... Oh no, there it is. It is a spool pin. Another spool pin with serrations on it. Both of them were spool pins with serrations. You can see that. And the last one. That too was a serrated pin. But I must have had this one sitting in the tray already, I guess, when I dumped this. Not sure where that one came from. But here are the 5 bottom pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottom pins. And the 5 top pins. And that is the Ace. That is the Ace 527, Series A527. Picked and gutted. Not too bad. And we did it all with SWICK. Thank you for watching.